Now you might be asking, why do I have 13 of the Requiems? And I'm going to tell you exactly why I think that this is a hidden gold mine. So the Requiem released a few days ago or weeks ago. It depends on when you watch the video. Right now it's sitting at 2,000 rapid. I'm going to tell you why I think that this can be valued in the future, probably worth as much as ABRC. You're not going to believe me, but I'm going to tell you a few pointers and I'm going to see if I can convince you. First reason why I think that the Requiem could be actually pretty expensive in the future is because of what it actually looks like. Its materials are advanced and honestly, it looks just like the Roblox desk speaker. Okay, I'm kidding, but as you can see, you can tell Roblox tries to mimic the bundle, and honestly I think that they did a great job. It looks just beautiful, it has almost 3,000 favorites already, and it just looks great. You can pair with many outfits, and honestly you can tell that they knew what they were doing with this. Another reason I think it's a hoarding, I'm not the only one in this world who knows that this item is going to do very good. So at the start it was only at 3,000 and now it's almost at 5,800. 5,800 copies are just hoarded, and honestly I think that this means something pretty big. It's just a simple fact that everybody knows that this item is a very good item. It looks good. It's doing pretty great right now. It's sitting at like 2,000. It's okay, but people know that this item's going to be expensive. So don't be one of those people, you know, who are like, it's just another bag item. I mean, there's just sets of just hoards, like 25, 20, like you can see like the same like hoard just number just duplicated, which is honestly crazy for a 2,000 Robux item. Like even highly want this on the train. I think that's honestly insane. But one of my best examples of why I think that this is going to be expensive is when you look at the 8-bit roll crown. Now, it took years for the 8-bit roll crown to become expensive, sitting at 30,000 Robux, but it was not this expensive at the beginning. Now, when it first released, it was only 800 Robux. And not only that, but it stayed this way for years. Now, over the years, it obviously, you know, grew in price because of, well, market trends, but it stayed at the same price as Requiem for like just forever. Like just last year, it was only worth like 8,000 Robux, which is still expensive, but it wasn't even valued at this time, I don't think. And now in 2025, it's at over 30,000 Robux, and it took years. It released in 2023, and it took almost 2 years for it to become so popular and known and just like a giant item, like just completely unexpected in my opinion. I have full faith that the Requiem can do the same thing. If we just give it enough time, then it will be expensive and you don't even know how much. But I do personally believe that the Requiem, just with enough time, it will be expensive. Like I have no doubt. There's so many people are hoarding this. I think that this is just a hidden gold mine that people just don't realize. And that's why I have 13 of the same item. I spent over 30,000 Robux buying each copy for 2,800, which now might seem like a lot, it might seem stupid, but honestly I do believe that this can be very expensive. You can even take the Tabby Cat for example. When it released, it was only 500 Robux. Fast forward a few years, 1,000, another year 3,000, and now it is just, well, projected, but it's at almost 9,000 Robux, which is just insane. If these cat items can do this, that were released by Roblox by the way, I believe that the Requiem can do the exact same thing. All it is a waiting game, and it's honestly just to see who is the most patient and who can wait the longest. It's like investing in Bitcoin like a couple of years ago. You know that famous video, invest in Bitcoin now and become rich. If you invested in Bitcoin 20 years ago, you have thousands by now, million. But that's my small rant about the Requiem. Honestly, do what you want, but I honestly just want to tell people like what I think and why I did this and why I don't have 30,000 Robux anymore. Please tell me all like what you think.